everyone, I am Dr. Agnes Elisa, instructional designer and e-learning strategist. Let me ask you something. Are you worried that AI might replace you on the job? You are not alone, but here is the truth. AI is a powerful tool, but cannot replace your skills, your creativity, and your strategy. The secret is staying ahead. Is simple. Upscale. Let's define what means upscaling. Upscaling means build new capabilities that complement AI rather than compete with it. With AI can automate tasks, your value lies in critical thinking, problem solving, leadership, and creativity. Incorporate layered upskilling in instructional design. Tools like Articulate Ryan Storyline helps us to design courses that AI cannot replicate. In intelligence and risk management, enhancing your data analysis skills and ethical decision making keeps you in the control, not the eye of things. Last and not least, and business strategy, learning how to align AI with your organizational goals, position you as a strategist and not just as an operator. The future is not about being replaced. It's about evolving your skill set so AI can work for you. So, how are you upscaling to stay ahead with AI? Let me know in the comment section. I want to start this conversation. So share this video with your colleagues because the future of work belongs to those who keep learning. If you like to explore how we can collaborate, whether through instructional design, training, or intelligence-driven learning, connect with me today. Visit my social media at the Space of Agnes Elisa. The link to book a video call with me is in the description. Remember, AI is just the tool. You are the strategist. Thank you for seeing me and see you in the next.